Good evening, junkies. Welcome to eminijunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Tuesday, June 16th, 2009. Today we had a total of 9 executable trade signals for a max potential of 23 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at eminijunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning right around 9:23:25, and we immediately were in a trade to move to the downside to try to fill the half gap. That half gap was successfully filled, and we got a little bit of a bounce, at which time we got an opportunity to get short, and that short produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 8 ticks. Coming off of that trade, there was a move back above the moving average, back up towards our opening, at which point it was rejected back down towards our pivot. We got an opportunity to get long, produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 7 ticks. And then we basically started getting into a series of range trades. We were just range trading, narrow range, back and forth. Got a signal to go short, got our first target, got stopped out of our second for 2 ticks. Got a signal to go long, got our first target, got stopped out of our second for negative 2 ticks, and got actually a third trade. Signal to go short, got our first target, stopped out of our second, negative 2 ticks. And that happens on range trading days, but that's alright. The way that we manage our trades, we have tight stops, and it keeps us from really hurting ourselves. So we lost 6 ticks there between the last 3 trades, and we just keep taking the setups as they come, and sure enough, we got a signal to go long, and that produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 9 ticks. So all in all, it was a very successful morning, even though we had 3 T1 opportunities in there. During the lunchtime dead zone, we actually traded down through our overnight low, traded down through yesterday's low, and really the market moved way down. Typically during lunch we're in consolidation mode, but because of the whole morning being in a nice tight range, by the time lunch came around, the market was ready to move. But coming out of lunch, we got a signal to go long, and that actually did not even get our first target off. So we actually lost targets 1 and targets 2 for a total of 14 ticks. And so many times after a full stop out, the rebound trade, where we actually got a signal to go short, that did work, and that produced targets 1 and targets 2 for 8 ticks to the downside on that move. So we made up about half of our loss there on that full stop out, and then basically right before the 3 o'clock stopping time that we use, we got a signal to go long. We traded above our moving average on the pullback, and we got targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 11 ticks. So overall, we had a great day. There was a lot of trades in there, and we actually had 4 of our trades. 3 of them took 1 contract loss, and 1 trade took a full stop out. But even with 4 trades that did not make full target, we still ended up with 23 ticks for the day. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including chart setups, or to join our daily trading room and video newsletter, please visit eminijunkie.com. Thanks, and make it a great day.